So, in last class, you see the direct form realization. Now we should go for linear phase realization. First, why we go for linear phase realization? Direct form realization requires m multipliers, m minus 1 adders, m minus 1 delay elements. To reduce the complexity, we go for linear phase realization. In linear phase realization, every system cannot be realized. Why? Because linear phase realization system must obey some condition, that is called linear phase condition. That condition is this one: h of n equal to plus or minus h of m minus 1 minus n. The system which obeys this condition is called linear phase system. For such systems only we can realize linear phase realization. Okay, let's see. It's a linear phase realization when capital M is even. Where is capital M? In the given condition there is capital M. That is even, we go for this realization. What same structure? Here we have delay elements, Z inverse, Z inverse, Z inverse, adders and multipliers. Finally adders. The concept is, in these systems, the impulse coefficients are equal for separate structures within the structure. That means, if I take an equation like this, let's see one example. If I take equation y of n equal to y equation, what is the equation? X of 0 into h of n, like this. It has 1 into h of n plus 2 into h of n minus 1 plus 3 into h of n minus 2, like this. Not 3, 1. Again 1 into h of n minus 2, like this. We get an equation. For suppose think. Here 1 into h of n plus 2 into h of n minus 1 plus 1 into h of n minus 2. You require first multiplier is 1 and last multiplier in the given system is 1. That means both multipliers are equal. Why we have to use separate multipliers for one? That is a linear phase concept. We have to use a single multiplier for both operations. If you see the diagram, here x of n, which is multiplied generally h of 0, but here we have taken an adder. Why? Because x of n and x of n minus k, it's a final output, x of n minus k, both has single multiplier, that is h of 0. That means x of n plus x of n minus k into h of 0. Next, here one delay element, x of n minus 1. Here we get x of n minus k minus 1. X of n minus 1 plus x of n minus k minus 1 into h of n. Both has only one multiplier. Similarly, here in linear phase realization, for two differential elements we have one multiplier. X of n, first one, and x of n minus k, last one. First one, last one has same multiplier. That's why we will use an adder, extra adder here. That means we add x of n and x of n minus k, then that addition must be multiplied with h of 0. By using this concept, we reduce the number of multipliers. That means using h of 0, we can multiply x of n and x of n minus k. Why? Because multiplication obeys associate distributive property. A plus b into c is ac plus bc. That's why finally we add all these things to get y of n. This is called linear phase realization. For m is even. If m is even, this is the structure. Okay. If that means here in this end we have a delay structure, delay unit. If m is odd, same structure, in the end we didn't have any delay unit. That delay unit is the extra one. For m is even. For m is odd, the delay unit is no delay element is there. Same kinds, x of n minus k, both are added here and multiplied by using h of 0. X of n minus 1, x of n minus k minus 1, both are added here and multiplied with h of 1. That way we have multiplied all these products here and added with summers to get final y of n. It is the system when n is odd. In the previous case what we have taken, this is a system when m is even. Okay, if you see the example, that in linear phase realization, for such system the number of multiplication is reduced to m by 2. Generally for direct form realization, number of multipliers we require m means m is a amount of multipliers we require to realize in direct form realization. Here two input elements require only one multiplier, means it requires m by 2 multipliers to realize the given system. For m is even. If m is odd, we require m minus 1 by 2 multipliers. Okay. Let's see this example. This is the system what they have given. H of z equal to 1 plus 2 by 3 z inverse plus 15 by 8 z power minus 2 plus 2 by 3 z power minus 3 plus z power 4. That means first z power 0, z power 4, z power minus 4 has same multiplier. Z power minus 1, z power minus 3 has same multiplier. Z power minus 2 has separate multiplier. That equation can be rewritten like this. 1 plus z power minus 4 plus 2 by 3 into z power minus 1 plus z power minus 3 plus 15 by 8 into z power minus 2. It's a linear phase. Simple. Where n is equal to 5, odd. Well, what we have to do? We require only 3 multipliers. 1, 2 by 3, 15 by 8. Okay. First we have taken x of n and apply some delay element. Here we get x of n minus 1, apply some delay element. X of n minus 2, delay element, x of n minus 4, delay element. That means we require only z power minus 4, we require 4 delay elements. 1, 2 in forward line, 3, 4 in backward line. So, first one, z power minus 1 and z power minus 4. That means z power 0, z power 4 must be added. This is the structure, 1 plus z power minus 4. We have added those two and multiplied with 1. Next, z power minus 1 and z power minus 3 is added and multiplied with 2 by 3. And z power minus 2 is solely added to multiplier 15 by 8. Then finally all these three are added to get y of n. This is the structure. Just remember, multipliers must be equal. By using that multipliers, we reduce total number of multipliers to by 2. If you take n equal to 5, just generally if you go for direct form realization, if n is equal to 5, how many multipliers we require? 5 multipliers are required. But here, by using linear phase structure, we require only 3. That means we require only 3 multipliers. Okay, 5 plus 1 by 2. We get only 3 multipliers to realize the number of overall structure. That means direct form realization requires more number of multipliers. Linear phase structure requires less number of multipliers compared to direct form realization. Okay. Already you have seen cascade form realization. In the next class, we will go for IIR system realization. Okay. Thank you.